What can you build from 2 scrap pieces of wood and some rope? Spoiler alert, a really awesome shelf. Hello Remodelaholics, I'm Cassidy. I'm so glad you're back at our DIY channel. Today's project is from our contributor, Emily from Table and Hearth, and it really features her beautiful coastal style. These easy rope shelves were the perfect solution for Emily to store her printer and other electronics on in her home office / guest room. What would you store on a pretty set of rustic wood shelves like these? Would you use them in an office or a living room, in a kid's room? I'd really love to hear about it in the comments below. These shelves are so easy to make. You'll need a bit of rope and a couple of wall hooks and a couple of boards in the width and length you want. Emily used boards left over from a previous project and one weathered old 2x4 that Hurricane Harvey left for her. Talk about making something beautiful out of the ashes. To get started with your wood and rope shelves, measure your rope holes on each board and then drill the holes using a hole saw bit, which will allow plenty of room for the rope to fit. Emily suggests drilling part way through one side, then flipping the board to finish the hole on the other side to give the cleanest edges on the holes. To get the shelf width she wanted from the board she had on hand, Emily joined 2 boards using her pocket hole jig. If you don't have a pocket hole jig, you really need to get one. It is so handy for so many projects. Before screwing the boards together, Emily sanded and stained them. Then, thanks to the pocket holes, just screw the 2 boards together and make a wider shelf. Now that the boards are ready, it's time to put up the wall hooks. Emily used cleats and the look is so perfect for a coastal style. Mark and drill the holes in the wall, then install the wall anchors if you aren't installing directly into a stud. Once the cleat is securely in the wall, tie the center of the rope into the cleat. Emily made up her own nautical style knot to get a look she liked, but any secure knot will work. Thread both ends of the rope through one of the first board's holes and tie a knot for it to rest on, at the height you want. This will be easier with a second set of hands, but Emily did it solo, so it is doable alone. Set the level on the board while you thread the rope through the other hole and tie a knot there. Adjust the knot as needed to level the shelf. Repeat the same process for the holes on the lower shelf so you have 2 level shelves. Then just add your decor and you're done. I love the rustic coastal vibe of these shelves, and they're so easy to customize to any little nook where you need a shelf, like a bathroom or an entryway. Leave Emily some love in the comments and tell me where you'd use a shelf like this. Also, tell me what is a project that you'd love to see on our blog. We'd really love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, check out this great playlist of organizational ideas, and check out this IKEA hack that we used in our entryway. And we will see you later. Bye guys.